everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and we are on advent number 12. Yes, we're on advent number 12. I had to think there for a minute. I lost track of days. So what we've got today, we've got a little snowman with the number 12 in this lovely burgundy wine colour burlap bag. And I must say, I'm really impressed with how all the hanks have been packaged, and I'm really, she says if she can get hold of it, there we go, I've opened it. Oh no, guess what colour it is, guys, guess. Oh my lord, look guys, it's purple, yay! So they will definitely go with this one. Oh my lord, look. So we've got that one. So that was 11 and that was today. And these will all go to, oh, definitely going to be doing something different with these, I think. Oh yes. So thank you for all your suggestions yesterday, but look at them four together, they will look awesome. Won't they look awesome together, guys? Oh yes. This girl is a happy bunny. Yes. So this was number 9. I know I keep showing you all again, but I'm just so excited, guys, can you tell? So this was number 9. And this was number 10. 10, guys. I got it right. Not 7. 10. And then we've got 11, which was this one. Oh, yeah. I've decided what I'm going to do. But I want to thank you all so much for your help. I am so excited. So just to reiterate, it's purple. Oh, I'm happy. I'm so happy. Yes. So I'll definitely be using up to day 8 on the knitted shawl that I'm doing. And then I might actually crochet, because I've got a crochet pattern as well. So I might crochet the other, just for a change, just for something different, eh guys? So yeah, so that was number 12. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you all have a fabulous day. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye.